Do you know the rainforest of the oceans? It's the coral reefs. At first glance, coral reefs may seem like colorful rocks underwater, but in truth, they are very much alive. These vast underwater structures are built by creatures so tiny that a magnifying glass would be needed just to say hello. Let's take a closer look, because what's happening beneath the surface is truly remarkable. At the heart of every coral reef is a tiny animal called a coral polyp, a soft-bodied creature that resembles a miniature octopus, no larger than a grain of rice. Each polyp pulls minerals from the seawater and builds a hard, protective shell beneath itself, almost like laying down a stone floor to live on. Thousands of these polyps live side by side in colonies. They build together, layer by layer, one generation after another. As older polyps die, new ones grow on top, and over hundreds, sometimes thousands of years, they form reef structures so large that they can be seen from space, natural cities beneath the waves. But these little builders do not work alone. Living inside their tissues are tiny algae known as zooxanthellae. These algae act like miniature solar panels. They absorb sunlight and use it to make food through photosynthesis, much like plants do. That energy is then shared with the coral. In return, the coral offers the algae a protected home and the nutrients they need to grow. It is a peaceful exchange, a partnership where both sides benefit. And the bright, beautiful colors of corals, those are thanks to the algae too. But like many things in nature, this balance is delicate. When ocean temperatures rise too much, corals become stressed. They expel the algae, and with them, their color. What's left behind is a pale, ghost-like skeleton. This is called coral bleaching. And if the algae do not return in time, the coral may not survive. Coral reefs cover just 1% of the ocean floor, but they support more than a quarter of all marine life. They provide food, shelter, and breeding grounds for thousands of species. From tiny shrimp to sea turtles and sharks, they also protect us. Coral reefs form natural barriers so strong that they reduce wave energy, prevent erosion, and shield coastal communities from storms. Some coral reefs are so iconic they're known across the world. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the largest reef system on Earth. The Belize Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Central America, is the second largest. The Red Sea Coral Reef, found between Africa and the Arabian Peninsula, is known for surviving in hot, salty waters. Even the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in India are home to vibrant reef ecosystems, hidden gems that few people know about. Each of these reefs is unique, and each plays a vital role in the health of our planet. Coral reefs are valuable in ways far beyond the ocean. They support fishing industries, boost tourism, and provide vital clues for medicine. Within reef creatures, scientists have discovered compounds so powerful that they may help treat cancer, infections, and chronic pain. Some corals, when stressed, begin to glow in neon shades of green, blue, or pink. It's not just for beauty. It's a sign that something's wrong, a natural distress signal. Coral reefs today are in serious danger. Warming oceans, pollution, and overfishing are damaging reefs so quickly that entire ecosystems are disappearing. Bleaching events are happening more often, and once a reef is gone, rebuilding it can take centuries, if it returns at all. But not all is lost. Scientists are working to restore what can be saved. Baby corals are being raised in nurseries. Artificial reefs are being placed in the ocean to attract marine life, and heat-resistant coral species are being studied for a changing climate. The lost glory of coral reefs is coming back, step by step, reef by reef. Please like, share, and subscribe to help us grow the reef of knowledge.